Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Virgo Earth sign. So let's see your messages, Virgo. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Justice. The first card, Justice. You or your person could be Libra. Okay, second card, Eight of Swords. Virgo. Knight of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection is stuck, but they will, in past, you person or you could be stuck, but now you are not anymore stuck because you are unstuck right now, because Knight of Swords. Definitely you will get, I think you are waiting for your person. Definitely your person will get some momentum and they want to come towards you. Definitely if you are stuck, you are taking action towards your person, or your person could be stuck. Definitely they are taking action towards their person. Definitely Justice, Libra. One person in this connection wants second chance with the other person. Yeah, Three of Swords. For some there is separation, that's why one person asks second chance. Yeah, the Devil, Capricorn. You or your person could be Six of Cups. Yeah, one person want reconciliation, it is clear, because already Justice with Six of Cups. Definitely reconciliation. One person want reconciliation. Yeah, one person is heartbroken due to separation, and I think there is a lot of obsession between both of you. One person is obsessed with another person, and I think one person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits. Definitely for some there is separation and want reconciliation. Ace of Swords, communication. Two of Pentacles, the Emperor. Yeah, one person may be at some crossroads. Two of Pentacles, they are juggling some communication. You are both going to communicate, truth coming out, communication. Emperor. One person in this connection may be committed and very loyal. Judgment. Yes, reconciliation. There is a lot of chances for reconciliation, those who are in separation. Four of Pentacles, King of Cups. Yeah, so the one person in this connection who are holding back their feelings, Four of Pentacles, definitely they want to express their feelings, because in past they could be stuck. Eight of Swords, but now they want to express their feelings because they have King of Cups. Definitely they have emotions for the other person. Judgment. Definitely I think some major changes are coming in your connection. Truth coming out, and juggling. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see a little bit about your person energy, then we will get clarity more. Yeah, Success, Six of Wands. Inner Voice, High Priest. Inner Voice means, yes, Stress, Seven of Wands. Inner Voice, stress, Seven of Wands, and the Lovers. Yeah, the Fool. Yeah, your person want new beginnings with you. Definitely they love you so much, because the Lovers with the Fool, definitely they want a new beginning with you. And yeah, the stress. Definitely, even though they're feeling very stressed, they don't want to give up on this connection at any cost, because their intuition telling this, you are their person. Definitely they want success with you, and the success card is also here. Definitely your person wants success with you. I think separation, the juggling, I think your person may be juggling between things. Your person want reconciliation with you. If you are waiting for your person, definitely your person want reconciliation with you. And yes, they want new beginnings with you. The Fool, they are trusting their intuition. I think you are the person who heartbroken here. Right now you are stuck, but your person want to come towards you, and they want to express their feelings, and they want reconciliation with you. Judgment. Definitely you have to make decision. If your person is approaching you, definitely you have to make decision to accept or deny. I think the one person who committed in this connection is you, loyal. Something some your person something did to you in past, that's why you are heartbroken and stuck, not able to take any action towards your person, but your person realize your worth and they want to come towards you. Success with the Fool and the yes, they know your worth. Now they want to come towards you. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.